equation. So let me rewrite this equation, this radical again. So let me take a pen. So I have here square root of 3 is equal with the exponent of 3 plus x. And everything here is equal with a 3 cubic. But this 3 I can write as a square root of 3 square because I want to make the same base. And because I want to make the same basis, so let me write this 3, and in exponent here is a 3 plus square root of 3 plus x. And the other side, I'm going to write this 3 as a 3 square. So let me write 3 square, but as we know, 3 is in exponent 3 here. So this 3 here, and this 3 I'm writing as a 3 square root of 3. So square with a square I can simplify, and it remains 3, is in the same way. But now here I can multiply this exponent, so I have to rewrite one extra time. Okay, so let me write this 3 is an exponent. I have to spend some time here to rewrite multiple times because I have to simplify the right side. And this one I can write as a square root of 3, and 3 times 2 is a 6, so this one in exponent 6. But because the base here is the same, so it's a square root of 3, and then the other side is the square root of 3. And when we have exponents with the same base, so they have equal exponents. It means the exponent here, 3 plus square root of 3 plus x, is equal with 6. And what I'm doing here, I'm going to square both sides. If I'm squaring both sides, this side and this side here, so let me square both sides, and I'm squaring this side here. And now, square here with this square can simplify. What remains here? Here remains a 3 plus a square root of 3 plus x. And on the other side, x squared is a 36. So this is what it is. So now let me go a little bit also. And I'm going here minus 3 both sides. Minus 3 on this side and minus 3 on this side. So these two cancels, same quantity with opposite sign. And what remains in this side remains only square root of 3 plus x is equal with 33. And now again I'm squaring here because I want to get rid of the radical. And so let me square this radical because the index here is 2. And same thing, I am raising the right side on the square, on the power 2. So as I mentioned before, this square here with this index can simplify, and here remains a 3 plus x. But on the other hand, 33 squared, if you are calculating in calculator, you get the value 1089. And minus 3 both sides, and minus 3 in this side here. And finally, x, so let me go a little bit up. So x is equal with 1086. So this is value of the x. So this is one value of the x as an integer that can satisfy this equation here. So let me go up. So x is equal with 1086. So this is the value.